Hello cuties, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very special video. I will be decorating December month in my classic happy planner, but I will be using the first monthly kit that I designed for my shop, and it's so excited. I've been having so many requests of making monthly kits, and I'm just so happy to make them for all of my customers and to have the opportunity to make those spreads for my planner. This one is a buffalo plaid type of inspiration, and I love it because I decorate this year all my tree and my house with buffalo plaid, so my planner matches with my Christmas decoration. For this spread, I pulled out a lot of stickers from my shop. It's all the Christmas decoration. The same time, I will be using some sticker die cuts. If you are new to my channel, hi and welcome. I hope you consider to subscribe. But if you're not, you've been seeing some videos that I like to incorporate sticker die cuts on my spreads, especially on the month spreads, because they look so adorable. So I will be using two sticker die cuts. One is Rosie Bear, the character. She's jumping out of a present, of a Christmas present. And the other one is the character Annabelle, and she's all dressed up as a nutcracker. If you don't know about me and my shop, my name is Sannia, and I have a hand-drawn sticker. The character Rosie that I just talked about was drawn by my husband, and the character Annabelle is drawn by me, and all the inspirations behind my sticker shop and all the designs that I made, it's about my daughter. She just turned 6 years old, and her second name is Annabelle, and that's why my sticker shop is the Lil Annabelle's Plans. That sticker is to cover all of the boxes that they don't have the date numbers, and it says make it a December to remember. Now I'm taking full boxes and putting on some areas. I will be put them out a few and changing some things here and there, but the good things about my stickers are made of, my goodness, I cannot talk today. It's made of removable sticker paper, so it's very easy to peel, like you just see right now. I designed this kit with all of the holidays available, including Boxing Day, that is for Canada. I just want to give them as many opportunities as possible when you get one of my kits, because you never know, if you are from Canada and you decide to try my stickers, you have a holiday made for you. So yeah, the kit comes with all of those holidays. I will be not using them in this spread, and it's just a preference right now because I want to incorporate a little bit more of the gold foil, since I put some Simply Gilded washi, and I decided to put some holidays stickers in gold foil. That is Rosie, and now I'm just calculating. It looks funny to me with thinking with the fingers but yeah, I'm just thinking on the days that I will be off from my shop. My shop will be not closed. It will be stay available, but the orders, the shipping process, it was going to take a little bit longer. I'm just going to extend them because I have my father that is coming to visit me from Puerto Rico, to spend the holiday season with us, and I want to be available just to spend some time with him and my family. My daughter is not going to have school. My husband is going to be off as well. So I'm just taking that washi and putting on only on during the weekdays that I decided to be off from my shop. And yeah, I placed some half boxes, and now I'm going to start placing the date covers, the date dots or date flags that I can say. To talk a little bit more of the what includes the kit. The kit includes the date flags, bill dues, payday, and some headers for your sidebar or your notes sections. This one that I'm making right now, it is for, I believe, my business planner. I do have a transformer planner in case you haven't seen that video. I made a transformer planner with two different sections, one for family and the other one for business. So this spread is for my business section. That is why I'm just going to place right now on this video the bill dues that I have for my shop, the days that I'm off on vacation, and some birthdays that I want to remember, and all the holidays. On the 6th, Friday 6th, I place a gray full box. That's to mark down the freebie that I designed for my Facebook group. I have the link of my Facebook group on the description of this video in case you want to join me. I tend to design an exclusive freebie for all my Facebook friends, and I put them most of the time the first week of the first Friday of the month or the second one. And for this one, I'm planning to do it on December 6th. So if you like freebies, digital freebies that you can print and cut, you are welcome to follow me on Facebook. Now I'm putting some important notes, and it's just for my PR team. And then I'm starting to decide where I'm going to place Annabelle. I wanted to have it, like I mentioned, closer to Christmas, but I have two birthdays on the 19th and the 20th, and that's why I pull out the sticker that says birthday. And I decided to oh my goodness, to place first the holidays and foil stickers, and then I will be deciding where I'm going to place Annabelle. Sometimes, it is like I wanted to put it here and there, and it's so funny when you see how many times you try to decide where you're going to use your stickers. The struggle is real. Those are some important build-ups. Now I'm taking this peekaboo. I designed all the characters, my little squad, the girls that I have in my shop. I designed them with a hat, a Christmas hat. Some has nutcrackers hat, others has Santas and an elf, and they turn out so cute. And to cover that white area, I'm just taking 3 of my characters, Annabelle, Jolene, and Itzia, and I put them peeking out from the goals header. I think it turned out adorable. So that's all, cuties. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, I hope you consider to subscribe. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Like always, thank you so much for your love and support. I really, really appreciate it. And I hope you join me in my YouTube family. That's my spread. I hope you enjoy it. It looks so adorable and very excited about Christmas. Thank you so much, and like always, I will see you next time. Bye!